Just Natasha coming back with yet another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. Like, nice to see you. We meet again, and Natasha, come down. Okay, so I'm excited because it's your girl's birthday week. Yeah, well, by the time you guys get this video or this video's upload, my birthday has already passed, so you guys can check my Instagram for all of that. Yeah, so it's my birthday. Spam my comments. Yeah, it's my birthday and I'm happy about it. I feel good for my age, so yeah. Yeah, so I wanted to come on here and share with you guys because I keep posting photos like of my birthday shenanigans, and this one is of me with my hair like this. So I was like, why not film a video of how I got this look? I didn't do the makeup aspect. I just didn't want to do that part. That's a lot. So I wanted to basically show you guys how I achieve this look. Everybody's telling me, oh, it's a bomb look. It looks really good on you, blah, blah, blah. All that stuff. Thank you all so much for the sweet comments. But now I'm going to show you how I do it. So as y'all know, I cut my hair yet again. What's new? I love cutting my hair, and I think short cuts look really good on me, so why not? And like I said, it was for my birthday, so I did it. So yeah, I am going to explain and show you guys in the next clip how I got my hair like this, like a bam. So as y'all know, I'm a natural girl, but I do like to enhance my look a bit. So yeah, I made my own clip-ins. Like, I was like, girl, you want a little zhuzh, so why not just get creative and do it yourself? So knowing me, I do it all. So I did. I went to my local beauty supply store and I got me some small wig clips. There's none in here at the moment because I used them all, but here is one with a little tiny clip-in that I made because I use like several of these and just pop them in to give me the fullness that I'm looking for. This is what one of the clip-ins look like. Yeah, so this is it with the clip, and I kind of stitch it on. Don't mind the white thread, I was out of black, so yes. So this is what that looks like, and I found something that was close to my hair texture. Like when you look at it, it's like I have a twist out in, which my hair, because it's in between my hair, it is a twist out, but I just wanted more volume to it, so I kind of zhuzhed it up. So the hair that I used is the Milky Way by Milky Way short hair series, and it's called the Q Twirl Curl. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Next clip, you will see how I kind of get it together. So after I do my little twist out, yeah, this is is the look. This is the dress. And I paired it with this coat. Yeah, so that's the hair. How do I look? I'm sorry if I'm like tipping, but yeah, you guys enjoyed it. I've been wearing my hair like this for a while because I don't know, it's go big or go home. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick, it's kind of like a lazy girl kind of thing, like, you know, you want to put a little oomph to your shortcut. You can try that. It's easy. It didn't take me that long to do, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. Comment below, let me know how you guys feel this look. Do you guys like it? Should I try something different? Yeah, because I would love to do something like this where I try to do different things around my tapered cut, because I really love my hair like this. I love my hair like this. And yes, it is getting cold, but I don't care. I still love my hair like that. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.